Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Make.com scenarios with version history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Make.com scenarios with version history, start by logging into your Make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your scenarios are displayed. Locate the scenario you want to backup from the list. Click on the scenario to open it. Once the scenario is open, look for the versions option in the menu. Click on the versions option to view the version history. In the version history section, you will see a list of all previous versions. Identify the version you wish to backup. Click on the download icon next to that version. The version will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Keep this file in a secure location for future reference. To restore a version, return to the version history in Make.com. Select the version you want to restore from the list. Click on the Restore option next to that version. Confirm the restoration when prompted. Your scenario will now reflect the restored version. Repeat these steps as necessary for other scenarios. This method ensures that you have a secure backup of your Make.com scenarios with their complete version history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.